Hello everyone, so welcome back to my tech, and in this short tutorial I will teach you that how to watch any kinds of Wi-Fi passwords that is already connected in your device. Okay, this is not a 100% sure Wi-Fi hacking tutorial. I will teach you that how to hack a Wi-Fi by just clicking some Linux to your command like a hacker. I will just show you that how to watch, how to see any kind of Wi-Fi that is connected through your device already that is connected. You can just show it in the password that is connected through your device. Okay, so for that, open your, okay, I will show you again. Just click here, click the left button of mouse and open in terminal. Otherwise you can press Windows plus R. Okay, here we'll go the run. Okay, now just type cmd. Oh fuck. Okay, I think I do something wrong. cmd and enter. Here you guys, there is the common portal of Windows. Otherwise also you can access from your search button. Here you just have to type cmd and the common prompt is here. Okay, so and now you have to type, just follow my instruction. You will do it 100% sure. Okay, net essays page show profile. So this command, the first thing, that is sh. Okay, net sh one and show profile. Uh, these commands and to the Windows show the every single Wi-Fi or the ESSID that is connected from your computer. Okay, connected from your machine. So now we will be targeting this thing. Okay, this Wi-Fi that is named as Saiful Escape. Just copy this thing by, wait, I will just select it and Control C. Okay, copy. Now we have to type. Now follow my next typing. Okay, this is Holland show show profile. After show profile, excuse me. So after show profile, you have to add something new. Okay, you have to add the first quotation or the third column and just enter the name of the ESSID or the name of the Wi-Fi that you have just copied and close it. Now you have to type the most important thing for show the password. Okay, key equal clear. Now enter. Here you can see security settings and the key connected is the password. Here, this is the password of my Wi-Fi. See? So thank you guys. This is the short tutorial for today, and I will meet you guys tomorrow. And please comment in the section, comment below to watch any kinds of recommendation for me. Okay? Thank you.